I was lost in the shadows, wandering blind. Every step felt heavy, peace hard to find. And your love broke through like sunrise on the night. Now my heart is lifted, bathed in your light. Oh, you are the light of my soul. You make the broken heart whole. Through the storms, through the fire, I will praise you higher and higher. When doubts surround me and fear whispers my name, hey, your voice calls louder, I'll never be the same.